Hey guys, Mangrel here. I hope you enjoyed that short video at the very beginning. We definitely enjoyed making the video. Today we've got here the Torvol Quad Pitstop backpack. This backpack comes in two different versions. There's the Pro version and there's a non-Pro version. The one you're looking at here is the non-Pro. What's the difference? The non-Pro is roughly 50% cheaper. It's a little tiny bit smaller. It doesn't have an attachment at the front for carrying your quads. The Pro has attachments where you put the quad at the front. The non-Pro has attachments on the side. Plus the Pro has a few additional compartments inside which the non-Pro does not. So let's see what you get with the non-Pro backpack. So definitely a very nice compact form factor. You've got this pocket at the top here. Some nice cushiony material. Little pocket here if you want to put wallets, change, those kind of things in there. You have pockets on the side for a tripod, for water bottle. I use them for batteries. So batteries for a 5-inch quad on this side, batteries for a 3-inch quad on this side. You have straps on both sides for attaching your quad. On the back, nice cushiony straps, nice cushy back as well. What you'll notice is it comes with a chest strap and also a waist strap. These waist straps, you're able to remove the actual strap portion. The chest strap, you cannot remove. So these have to be there. All right, let's open it up. It's got two zippers. We open up these two zippers. And we have access to every single compartment of our bag. So this is how I have my bag set up. This bag is definitely modular and customizable. You can even get some upgrades from Torvol if you want to. I've got my transmitter at the very top. That's the DJI transmitter. I've got my strap here. Then you've got a section here for any additional pieces. So only two of the compartments have this net, this one here and this one here. So I've got inside here my little charger. On this compartment, I've got propellers, cleaning pads, toothbrush, Q-tips, those kinds of things. This compartment fits the DJI goggles with the antennas. I've got the stubbies, but the original antennas just barely fit as well. I've got my 5-inch quad in this compartment without the propellers. That's very important. If you want with the propellers, you have to attach the quad to the outside of the bag. It will not fit with propellers. And then I've got my 3-inch quad at the very bottom slot. Now here's where, if you wanted to, you could purchase a LiPo-safe bag from Torvol that fits down here. And lastly, I've got some various tools and USB cables and so forth in that section there. So very nice compact design, lots of space, lots of modularity, whatever you want to do with this. A couple of other cool things here, and this is something that you can tell they really thought this through and got the input of the FPV community. On this side here, we have a nice work path for our quad. So for example, place your quad on there and you're able to work on the quad. You open this up here, you've got a nice magnetic pad for screws. Just one thing to bear in mind, and I found this out the first time I used this, prop nuts are not magnetic, so these will not stick. And then something else that is really neat is you also have a pad that's laid out here. And this pad is for kneeling on or sitting on while you're at the park or at the field. I think they've done an amazing job of putting together a affordable compact package that lets you carry all your FPV equipment to the field. It's very comfortable, it's fairly light as well. If I could nitpick on a couple of pieces here, the first one would be the fact that in order to open the bag, you have to lie it flat on its back. So this is a benefit, but also a little bit of a negative as well. if you're out at the park, grass is wet, maybe a little bit muddy, you're placing the back of the bag, the section that will be touching your clothes, straight on the dirt. Not much can be done there. It's something that just have to keep in mind. The other thing to bear in mind also is these straps you cannot remove. I would have liked to see some sort of way of removing these without having to cut them or damage the bag. Other than that, amazing bag. They've done a great job of putting this together. I would highly recommend. Hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. We have a lot more content in the works. But here we go. Torvol Quad Pitstop Bag, non-pro.